Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can download and install Python on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. So in order to download Python, just open your favorite browser and search for Python. Just open the link from python.org. Don't worry about the download link. You will get the download link in the description box. So this is the official website of Python. So from here we can download Python program for our Windows 10 computer. To download, just click on downloads, and here you can see the latest version of Python is 3.8.5 for Windows. So let me click on this download button, and here you can see it is downloading and it is around 25 MB, so it will take some time. Let me complete the download process, and after that I will show you how you can install and set up Python on your Windows 10 computer. So our download has been completed. Now just open the file. So let me minimize the browser, and here you can see here we have the setup window for Python 3.8.5 and it is 32-bit version, and here we have two options to install. Number one is install now, so this will follow all the default setting, and if you want to do a custom installation, then you can select customize installation. Before that, don't forget to add Python to the path. So to add Python to the path, simply click on this checkbox, add Python 3.8 to path. Then click on customize installation. So here we have some optional features. So if you want, you can check some of the optional features, or if you need, then you can select all the optional features, then click on next. And here we also have some additional option. In your computer, if you have registered multiple users, then you can select install for all users, or you can simply uncheck this box. So I will suggest, if you are using a multiple user based computer, then you can select install for all user, and here we have the location where our Python file is going to install. So if you want to change this location, then you can simply click on this browse button and you can browse the location where you want to save the file. But I will suggest you to keep it default, because this will help you to set up your environment very well for Python programming language. So after you had customized your location and some additional features, you can simply click on install. So here you can see it is installing, so it will take some time to install. So wait until the installation process complete. Here you can see our setup is successfully installed, and here we have some options. So if you want to learn Python programming, then it also provides its official online tutorial. You can follow the official online tutorial, or you can just check the documentation. And here you can check what's new in this release. Let me close this window. Now let me show you how you can print hello world using Python programming language. For that, here simply search for Python. Here we have two options. One is Python application and another one is our Python IDLE. I will show you how you can use both the option. So first let me show you how you can use Python application. Simply click on this Python application. So this is the interface of Python application. This is basically your command prompt interface. Here you can write your Python command to run your Python program. Let me show you how you can print hello world using Python programming language. For that, simply write print. Between this parentheses, just write double quotes, and here just write your statement. So I want to print hello world. Let me write hello world. Now to run this program, simply click on enter. Here you can see hello world. Similarly, you can print other statement. Say for example, print welcome to the Coder World YouTube channel. Let me hit enter. So here you can see welcome to the Coder World YouTube channel. So this way you can use Python application. Now let me show you how you can use Python IDLE. For that, simply search for Python, and here we have our Python IDLE. Simply open this application. So this is a Python shell. You can also use this Python shell to create your Python program. So let me show you how you can create hello world using this Python shell. Now click on file, then click on save as, and here select the location. Let me save the file on desktop, and here let me name the file as demo and put Python extension, that is .py. .py is a Python extension, so this will help you to compile your Python programming language. So let me save the file. So this is the location where your demo.py file is going to save. So here you can see, here we have the Python file. So let me write print, and here let me write hello world. Now to run this program, simply click on save, then hit enter. Here you can see hello world. Similarly, you can print another statement. So let me write thank you for watching my videos. Again go to file, then click on save, and to run this file simply click on enter. So here you can see thank you for watching my videos. So this way you can download and install Python on your Windows 10 computer. Now if you want Python programming tutorial video, then just comment me on the comment box. I will definitely create one Python programming tutorial for beginners. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.